Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to enable your two-step verification on your Telegram app. So if you want to enable your two-step verification, it's very easy and it's very important. Reason because it protects your Telegram account from any form of intruder or second party from having access to your Telegram account. It makes your details or information to be private. So for you to be able to enable your two-step verification, what you just have to do is to tap on the three lines at the left corner of your Telegram. The next thing you have to do is to tap on settings. So tap on privacy and security. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on your security, privacy and security. Then tap on two-step verification. You have to turn on the toggle. Tap on set password. Please make sure you enter password that you cannot forget easily. So I'm going to enter my password. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on the arrow, the password again. So after re-entering your password, you just have to enter a hint that will make you to remember your password, or you can just keep it if it's not necessary. So I just have to enter a hint. Okay, then I can just enter a recovery email. So let me enter my recovery email and then okay, then two-step verification setup. So the email was a code was sent to my email. I just have to go and get the code. Okay, back. So a code will be sent to your email. You just have to enter the code here. If you did not receive it, you can just tap on the resend in order to get the code, or you check on your spam. You check on your spam folder and enter the code that was sent. So now my password has been set. My password has been set and I can now return back to the settings. So guys, that is it on how to set your two-step verification password or code. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.